Bob, so you were saying you saw some folks in the park playing and you were wondering what was going on.
Went to the dog park up on the bench by Morris Hill Cemetery. In that park area, I saw like 3 or 4 people walking around with phones. And this was just after the rain ended, and I was the only one there, except for these people with their phone. I wondered, why are they walking around looking at their phone?
You see them all over the place.
One guy goes, "Oh no, my phone just crashed."
I was just about
I was going to ask him what was going on, but now I know.
You know.
Even here locally, it's happening.
Watch out for him.
All right, let's take a look at our weather headlines. Would you believe that yesterday was the coolest July day since 2001, and the 59 that we actually had in the afternoon for a high temperature would have been the third coolest July day. Third coolest. Oh. But that didn't count because the actual high was set after midnight, and that was 69, and it didn't even break the record for the day, which was 67. Got real close though. Well, because of all that rain that fell, even some snow for our mountains, as you will see, some morning fog a possibility with that saturated air and ground. Cool for today, 90 degrees by Thursday, that's close to normal, and a dry week ahead. Not so dry in Missoula, and in fact, some of their area ski resorts, I just tweeted out a picture. They're seeing some snow. They're waking up some snow at some of their area ski resorts, much like we saw on top of Bruntage, like we showed you on that time lapse earlier. Had quite a bit of lightning all across the state as a cold front moved across. Winds really picked up in eastern Idaho along that cold front. Wind gusts of 50 to 70 miles per hour. Strongest winds around Arco, Craters of the Moon. Future rainfall, well, looks like our showers winding down in our east central mountains, but some of them will redevelop with the heating of the day around Salmon and Chalice, but well to the east of our viewing area. Looks pretty much cloud free out there this morning, but it's kind of chilly. It's almost jacket weather, 47 degrees. In fact, I would probably grab a jacket like I did this morning. Might even have to turn on that heater on your car. 44 for McCall, 40 in Stanley. And most of the locations down here in the valley even in the 40s. 75 for our high for today, 16 degrees below normal for this July the 11th. There's our precip from yesterday, a new record for that date, just over a quarter of an inch of rain, 0.27. We're a little bit ahead for the month, but we're still a bit behind for the water year going back to October 1st. All right, water vapor, we have that low pushing off to the east, another low just off the Canadian coast, but we're getting a west to east jet stream flow, a zonal flow is what we call it, so pretty quiet over the next few days. Clear skies across southwestern Idaho this morning. Here's our Futurecast computer model. We'll have a weak little disturbance move by to the north tomorrow. Possible showers right around 4 o'clock for Baker City and McCall. After that, looks pretty smooth sailing right on into the weekend. Regional forecast. Sunny for today, Twin Falls high 71. Sun Valley still maybe an isolated snow shower, otherwise partly cloudy. And the same thing for McCall and Cascade, maybe a rain snow mix this morning and some valley fog. Sunny down here in the valley, sunny for Canyon County as well, and sunny for Boise with highs rebounding a bit. Not quite as chilly as yesterday, but still well below normal. And we warm up even 10 degrees warmer, close to 10 degrees warmer for tomorrow. So you'll notice the difference. Near normal by Thursday with a high near 90. Slightly cooler but dry as we head into the weekend. That's Liga weather.